Welcome back to Hustle Harder PH. This is May, and in this video, I'll show you how to make money online by using free apps to earn $600 per day while doing nothing. Also, if you find this video useful, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. As a result, I will notify you whenever I come across a new and innovative way to make money online. This is not one, not two, but 5 apps that will pay you $600 every time you use them. And you don't have to do anything. The best part is that you can withdraw your funds using a variety of payment methods. And, of course, you can do it from anywhere on the planet. And you only require one item, your mobile phone. This can be done on either an Android or an iOS device. So, all you have to do now is follow my simple instructions, download the apps, and create a free account, and you're ready to start earning money. I'd like you to consider this. You get out of bed early in the morning, check your phone, and guess what? Your payments are deposited directly into your account. You can begin making money right now, while sitting on your couch, sleeping, or doing nothing at all. Let's return to the video now. TV-2.com is the first app that I'd like to show you. As a result, the app's concept is extremely simple. Simply click to play and watch the video to begin earning money. This can be done on your TV or on your phone, whether it's an iOS or Android device. Now, as promised, here is the bonus tip. In order to make the most money with this app, you must click and play the videos on multiple devices in the background. You can now do this while doing things you enjoy, while studying, or even while sleeping. All you have to do now is download the TV2 app on your smartphone. If you have an Android phone, you can search for this app in the Google Play Store right now. As you can see, this one has been tried by over 300,000 people. The best thing about this app is that it has a nearly 5-star rating on the Google Play Store, which is incredible considering it has over 300,000 downloads. Now that you've downloaded the app, make sure you open it on your phone or connect it to your television so you can start watching videos and earning real money. There are literally thousands of videos and channels from which to choose and begin earning money. TV2 is the name of the app once more. AppKarma.io is the second app where you can make money by doing nothing. As you can see, playing with apps can earn you rewards. It's also completely free. The reason you can make money without doing anything is that when you download and install this app, you will immediately receive 300 points, which translates to $3. This is available for download on both Android and iOS devices. Now, as promised, here is the bonus tip. Simply log into your account every day. So, all you have to do now is open this app and claim your daily rewards. And this is how you can make money on daily doing nothing. You can get various achievement badges on this app that will multiply your earnings, allowing you to earn double or even triple your money right now. Last but not least, AppKarma allows you to refer friends and earn 30% of what they earn by sharing your invite link. As an example, if you refer someone and they earn $100, you will receive $30 without having to do anything. All you have to do now is download AppKarma to your smartphone. If you have an Android phone, you can search for this app in the Google Play Store right now. This is how the logo appears. Make sure you're using the correct app. This is a very simple app to use, but it allows you to earn money in a variety of ways, including by playing games. Scratching cards can also be used to earn money. Also, remember to log in every day to receive your daily rewards. AppKarma is the name of the app once more. Cash 4 minutes. Calm is the third app that I'd like to show you. You can earn money simply by listening to internet radio broadcasts with this app. And, because they now offer weekly payouts in a variety of payment options, you can get your money every week. As you can see here, speedy payments, you can choose from weekly or monthly payments through bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, or Amazon vouchers. Before I proceed, I'd appreciate it if you will like this video, which I put a lot of time and effort into, and subscribe to my channel with notifications. And if this video receives 2,000 likes, I'll release a brand new video the following week showing you how to make even more money online by doing simple tasks like this, from the comfort of your own home. Now let's go back to the video. Because they have global access, this app is available worldwide. So, all you'll need is a smartphone and access to the internet. This is how it works in general. You must first create a free account on Cash 4 Minutes. So, all you have to do now is create a profile and link your phone number to this app. After that, you can begin listening to various radio broadcasts and earning money. Referring friends is another way to make money with this app. As you can see here, you can invite your friends and earn 5% of whatever they earn. Furthermore, you will receive 1% of everything that the people they introduce earn. You can now leave your referral links in the comments section of the video. That way, you can all benefit from each other's links and make money together. Cash 4 Minutes is the name of the app once more. SlideJoy is the fourth app on the list. Because they will be showing you advertisements on your mobile phone, this app pays you money for literally doing nothing. SlideJoy earns money from these advertisements. Many major corporations have featured this app. As you can see, SlideJoy will give you cash-like rewards just for using their lock screen once you download the app on your phone. On the first screen of your phone, they will display the most recent trending news as well as interesting personalized ads. You don't need to do anything else, simply go about your daily routine, swipe, unlock, use, and finally redeem your fantastic cash rewards or gift cards. All you need to do now is download the SlideJoy app to your smartphone. You can find this app in the Google Play Store by searching for it here. This is how the logo appears. Make sure you're using the correct app. This one has a lot of positive feedback. It has a rating of 4.3 stars out of 5, which is a fantastic rating considering the fact that it has over 100,000 downloads. SlideJoy is the name of the app once more. Finally, we'll look at the fifth app that allows you to earn money by doing nothing. This can be found at moneysmsapp.com. MoneySMS is a free Android app that allows you to automatically make money online by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. Unfortunately, this app only works on Android phones. This doesn't work on iOS devices. You'll start receiving text messages as soon as you download this app. You can simply disregard and delete them. With this app, you can earn money without doing anything at all. This app is, once again, completely free. There is no cost to get started, and there are no hidden charges. MoneySMS is a safe app. This app does not read or use any of your private messages or other personal information. You can also cash out using a variety of payment methods. The best part is that you can withdraw your funds in as little as 48 hours, which is extremely quick. And right here on this app, they have a referral program where you can refer your friends to this app and earn 30% of their total earnings. That's all there is to it. These are the free apps that allow you to earn money online while doing nothing. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos if you like this type of content, and if you do, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Please leave any additional questions in the comments section below. We hope to see you in the next video.